Hello there. We are here at our local barber image showcase on the far north side of Chicago in Wrigleyville. Always happy to support local businesses as well as a family friend whose daughters I met back as a little kid at the Y. Anyhow, if you are on this side of town and in need of a barber, please do not hesitate to stop by and say hello to Teresa. A genuinely kind, hard-working, sociable lady that can handle your hairdo requirements. You can schedule in advance or walk-ins welcomed. Thank you kindly. You all stay well. Enjoy this video. Ciao friends.
Dime tú, ¿qué voy a hacer contigo?
Vas a ayudarme a hacer más videos.
¿Sí? Córtale
Sí.
todo el pelo.
No, solo el de lado. Úsame el cero, por favor.
¿El cero?
Sí.
No te pongas así de serio, tienes que sonreír.
No, yo hablo más tarde.
¿Sí?
Sí.
Oh.
Sí, digo, voy a decir, aquí estoy en la Image Showcase, también dando masajes. Estoy grabando. Pongan atención a mi cara.
You don't have to the wedding is at the venue.
So you're not walking the grandmother?
Right, no.
Does that bother you?
No, I mean, I'm used to now and if I speak up and say anything, it appears to offend people. I just told, hey, I'm curious. That's why I'm asking. If I ask anything, I don't change anything.
intención, nunca sabe. A la ciudad le gusta robar a la gente.
She respects me. I'm not gonna lie.
No, well, this particular barber has to live close to the So I really not had contact with her as much as with the other daughter. Whatever she learned and figured out in life, she learned it from her suburban neighbors she grew up with.
Yeah. So this is her son.
Yeah.
Antigénica.
Are you close with those grandkids?
First they're boys. And yeah, they were so far, although we used to find out every weekend they were in sports. They played basketball and football. And we used to drive out there to go to their games.
You and your husband?
Yes, all the time. So, in that sense, we're close. But then, even all through elementary school through high school, college. Stop the car and tailgate. So you have to get there early. And you stay there and really have breakfast there. And then because the game is not till 1 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
So then you stay through the game and then they go back to the tailgating area to eat again and they move to the day and grilled and the homes and rain. I didn't get home till after dark or whatever. So, my husband and I have a long way. So we only went to Buffalo. And then they had away games. They used to travel to other states, right? My daughter and her husband would travel and go to the games. We would never do that.
How long has it been now since your husband passed away?
About 8 years now.
Are you staying there?
No, all the wedding parties.
Oh.
Girls are all
No quedó tan perfect.
It's right. Like
Sí, porque está, no está largo el pelo por
Ajá.
atrás. Así me dijeron en Colombia.
So today, you're all getting your makeup and hair done. I need 7 people.
We have a lot of other
Put
people
an
who,
entourage with you.
yeah, yeah.
Starting early this morning or something. Hair and makeup done. And then they're gonna go.
Which way is it? Okay.
They have a bus or something. We'll drive around the city and taking pictures.
Yeah.
Ahí está.
That's
What do you think?
their rehearsal.
You wanna live like that?
Está bien.
Pero nada que pueda hacer.
Like the girlfriend or the wife or the fiance or
I don't really know her.
sticking up already. Are you still straightening it?
Yeah. Thank